Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. I figured out a faster way, I think. Not that big a deal, but it might show you a few tools. So I took a line, doesn't matter what length it is, and I went to Windows, Dockers, Transform, and I'm going to erase this right here, and I'm going to type in, for some reason he used 22 of these, but we're going to make the angle 360 divided by 11, because half of that we get, no, it'd be, I guess by the 20, no, that'd be right. And this is what he's got. That's how he started, I'm pretty sure. And then he took these lines and grouped them together, Control G, and he went to the twirl tool. And I set mine pretty low so I could kind of do it the same, and I click on it and you can see the nodes highlighted, and I twirled it. Now I'm going to go to object, and I'm going to go to group, and I'm going to ungroup it. You have to do that to convert them to an object. Well, first of all, we need to convert them to that thickness of line he was using was 1.25. Now go to object and convert the outlines to an object, and then left click, right click, and then bring in your circle. And this is really all you have to do. Take the blue, which we want in the center, and just hit one of those lines and move it over. Change it to red, and if you nudge, this will work. Whoop, I picked the wrong line. So just disregard that line. Control G to group it together. Now nudge that out of the way and just nudge this right back, and it's in the center. Now move the center rotation to that point, and now we're going to rotate it twice as much. So we're going to go 360 divided by 22. And I think it's 21 apply, because we've already got one. And there you have it. Pretty quick. And you have a perfect line like we did by filling. Instead of filling them all in, fill in the one and then rotate it, is I guess is what I'm getting at. So his was a little bit bigger than mine, and that's beside the point. The good thing is you got rid of your lines and you just have fill there. So if you take away the fill, you have nothing. Basically, you have ghost. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Gave you some few ideas, and thank you for watching.